Hello everyone today. I'm going to teach you a beautiful heart of mine. My heart is very beautiful. Let's get started. Make a magic ring and take 3 chains and 3 triple crochet. After this, make 4 double crochet. And make 1 triple crochet in the center. First half is completed. Again, as a first half, make 4 double crochet. Then make 3 triple crochet. Take 3 chains. Insert into the magic ring. Make 2 single crochet in the 3 chain gap. Take 1 chain and make double crochet. Make 3 double crochet at the top of triple crochet chain. And make 4 double crochet. At the center chain, make 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same chain. Again, make double crochet all. Lastly, take 3 chains and insert it into the 3 chain gap and slip stitch into the magic ring. Now heart crochet is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it. See you in the next video. Thank you.